In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your favorite sports team's schedule to Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to keep track of all the upcoming games and ensure you never miss an exciting moment from your team. Whether you're planning your week around game days or just want a quick glance at when your team is playing, adding the schedule to Google Calendar makes it convenient and accessible. Let's take a closer look at how to seamlessly incorporate this into your daily planning. Firstly, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your preferred search engine or going directly to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so to access your calendar. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where you'll find a section titled Other Calendars. This is where you'll start the process of adding external calendars, such as sports schedules, to your existing ones. Clicking the plus sign next to Other Calendars will open up a menu of different calendars you can add. Our objective is to incorporate sports calendars, so scroll down until you reach the sports section. The beauty of Google Calendar is that it offers a comprehensive list of sports and leagues. You'll want to expand this section to explore all available leagues. This step might take a little bit of browsing, but it's crucial to ensure you don't miss out on your desired league or sport. Once you've located the sports section and expanded it to view the leagues, find the league in which your favorite team plays. Clicking on the league will display a full list of teams. This feature is especially useful if you follow multiple teams or want to compare schedules across the league. Next, look through the list until you spot your beloved team. Now here comes the part that will live in your calendar. Simply check the box next to your team's name. This action tells Google Calendar that you want this team's schedule linked to your calendar, synchronizing the games and essential fixtures seamlessly with your existing schedule. Now whenever you open Google Calendar, you'll see your team's game schedule. Google Calendar is known for its versatility, so you can customize how you view these games within your own calendar settings, including alerts and notifications for each game. This process not only saves you time, but effectively integrates your favorite sports moments with your everyday activities. That's it! Your team's schedule is now live on your Google Calendar, keeping you updated and ready for those thrilling match days. Feel free to explore additional features within Google Calendar to further tailor your experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!